E equals mc squared. This is a popular equation which most of us have seen one time or the other. What does it mean? Well, it represents this principle in physics that states that anything having mass has an equivalent amount of energy and vice versa. But we are more interested in the person who proposed this equation than the equation itself. This genius. Hi, how have you been? Welcome. If you are here for the first time, we are covering many similar stories and poems in this series, which you may like. Do check out the full playlist after this video. So, today we are going to discuss a short piece on Albert Einstein titled A Truly Beautiful Mind. Let's begin. When Albert was born, his mother thought that he was a freak, because to her, his head seemed too large. But he did not even speak till he was 2.5 years old. Brother Boring was the name given to him by his playmates. So as you would guess, he played alone a lot of the time. He loved his mechanical toys so much that he is said to have asked where her sister's wheels were when she was born. God doesn't send genius people with labels. They are not recognized that easily. Probably why his schoolmaster said, and I quote, "He'll never make a success at anything." Not that he was a bad pupil. He scored good marks in almost every subject, and he was a gifted violinist too. He began learning at the age of 6 and maintained that skill all his life. What has been your favorite hobby which you remember from your childhood? Tell me in the comments. But he felt so restrained by school that he left it for good at the age of 15. Then, continued his education in Switzerland, where after finishing school, he decided to study physics and mathematics at a university in Zurich. It was there that he felt a special interest in Mileva Maric, a fellow student who had come to Switzerland because of the university in Zurich was one of the few in Europe where women could get degrees. In his letter of affection to her writes, "How happy and proud I shall be when we both have brought our work on relativity to a victorious conclusion." He wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his studies, but Albert put off the wedding because his mother was against it for a couple of reasons. But they finally married in 1903, had 2 sons, and eventually divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. In 1900, at the age of 21, Albert was a university graduate and was developing his own ideas in secret while he was supposed to be assessing other people's inventions as a technical expert in the patent office at Bern. Shortly after, in 1905, came Einstein's special theory of relativity. Remember E equals mc squared? Yes, that one. A solar eclipse in 1919 proved that the theory was accurate. The theory explained by Einstein himself. He says, when you sit with a nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like 2 minutes. When you sit on a hot stove for 2 minutes, it seems like 2 hours. That's relativity. When Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Einstein immigrated to the US, and many other physicists did so too. 5 years later, they all were afraid that Nazis could build and use an atom bomb when nuclear fission was discovered in Berlin. Einstein wrote a letter to the American president, Franklin D. Roosevelt, in which he warned, a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. He published more than 300 scientific papers and more than 150 non-scientific works. His intellectual achievements and originality have made the word Einstein synonymous with genius. When Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76, he was celebrated as a visionary and the world citizen, as much as a scientific genius. Wow, you're still watching? Thank you. This was a bit different from my previous videos, shorter and more precise. If you liked this version, tell me in the comments and please subscribe. That's Researcher, signing off.